ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 4, 2020ರಂದು ನಡೆದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಟಿ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕೀ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 to 5, ರೀಡ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಬೈ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಪ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಇದೆ. ಇದೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಪೆಂಟರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಡುವಿನ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಂಟರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟು ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗುವ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಂಟರ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಅರಿತ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಲಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದೇನೆಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಹೌಸನ್ನು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಂಟರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿದು ಒಂದು ಮನೆಯನ್ನು ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು ಅಟ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಆವಾಗ ಅಟ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಆ ಮನೆಯ ಕೀಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಮನೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ದಾನವಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಅರಿತ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಂಟರ್, ಸೊ ಮೊದಲೇ ನನಗೆ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅರಿವಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಈ ಹೌಸನ್ನು ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಕಥೆ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೀಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. Okay, so one by one we will discuss the question and answers here. The turning point in the story was when the employer requested the carpenter to build one last house, when the employer gifted the house to the carpenter, when the carpenter learned that he was to build houses wisely, when the employer inspected the house. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2, when the employer gifted the house to the carpenter. So this is the turning point of this story. So next one, the phrase in the passage which means to continue to exist where something is lacking is ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಟ್ ಟು, ಲಿವ್ ಲೈಫ್, ಲಿವ್ ಇನ್, ಗೆಟ್ ಬೈ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 4 ಗೆಟ್ ಬೈ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಯರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3, he resorted to shoddy workmanship. The part of speech of the word shoddy is options adverb, noun, adjective, verb. Here the correct answer is option 3, adjective. Next, fourth question, what a shame. The given statement is an example for interrogative sentence, assertive sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Here the correct answer is option 4, exclamatory sentence. Next, fifth question, the employer's goodness is evident when he inspects the house on its completion, hands over the front door key to the carpenter, requests the carpenter to continue his dedicated work, permits the carpenter to retire and enjoy with his family. Here the correct answer is option 2, hands over the front door key to the carpenter. Next, directions, questions 6 to 10. Read the given lines of a poem and answer the questions that follow by choosing the most appropriate answer. ಸೊ ಈ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಓದ್ಬೋದು. ವೆನ್ ದ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಫಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಹೆಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಹೈ. ಸೊ ರವೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ಟಾಗೋರ್ ಬರೆದಿರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪೋಯಮ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಓದ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಟಿಕ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದೊಂದು. ಸೊ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ದ ಪೋಯೆಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಮೆನ್ ಟು be free from the bondage of narrow ideas and die-hard habits, fight for their rights, fight for their wages, not hope for a free nation. Here the correct answer is option 1, be free from the bondage of narrow ideas and die-hard habits. Next, seventh one, the main theme of the poem is patriotism, agitation, life after death, societal division. Here the correct answer is option 1, patriotism. Next, eighth one, the one that is unlikely to be an example for alliteration is head held high, where the world, dreary desert sand of dead habit, by narrow domestic walls. Here, unlikely to be an example of alliteration ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 4 is the right answer here, by narrow domestic walls. So ninth one, the word that rhymes with high, sai, ne, way, lay. So option 1 is the right answer, high and sai. Okay. So next, 10th one, dead habit refers to old customs and traditions that are a threat to the humanity. So option 1 is the right answer here, old customs and traditions ಅನ್ನೋದು ಡೆಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, Directions, question number 11 to 15. Read the given graph. Answer the questions that follow by choosing the most appropriate option. The given pie chart represents the result of a survey conducted by a non-profit NGO to understand how a rural family spends its monthly income on various items. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಲೋನ್ಸ್ 20% ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಫುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋತಿಂಗ್ 30%, ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ 10%, ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ 10%, ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 15% ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ 15%. ದ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ 20% ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ರಿಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಲೋನ್ಸ್, ಫುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋತಿಂಗ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಲೋನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಪೈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Next, 12th one. The family finds it important to spend the maximum share of its income on entertainment, savings, health, food and clothing. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋತಿಂಗ್ಗೆ 30% ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಫುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋತಿಂಗ್ is the right answer here. The income expended on food and clothing is equal to the combined expenses of savings and education, health and entertainment, repaying loans and health, education and entertainment. Here option 2, health and entertainment, is the right answer. Next, 14th question. The correct statement related to the graph is: the family gives more importance to education than entertainment. The expenditure on health is equal to the expenditure on entertainment. Most part of the family income goes on repaying loans. The family gives least importance to food and clothing. Here option 2 is the right answer. Next, the descending order of the areas of expenditure of the rural family is ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋತಿಂಗ್, ರಿಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಲೋನ್ಸ್, ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಆರ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ 16 to 30. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಪ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅರುಣ್, ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ yesterday? Rekha, no, I did not went to school yesterday. The errors in the dialogue can be corrected as ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1 ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಅರುಣ್, ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ yesterday? ರೇಖಾ, ನೋ, ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ yesterday. ಅರುಣ್, ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ yesterday? ರೇಖಾ, ನೋ, ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ yesterday. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, 17th question. Balaji, I have lost my wallet somewhere. Mohan, oh, I am very sorry to hear that. Do you need any help? Here the speaker, when he says the underlined statement, is showing sympathy, offering help, apologizing, persuading. Here the option 1, showing sympathy, is the right answer. 18th question. For a learner who has difficulties with writing in English, the teacher should give ample practice in options: revising spelling and basic sentence patterns, doing timed essays, diagnosing their language needs, giving clear explanation. Here option 1, revising spelling and basic sentence pattern, is the right answer. Yes, 19th question. If you want to ensure participation of maximum number of students in the class, you should adopt the method of teaching through role play, interview, discussion, demonstration. Here the correct answer is option 3, discussion. Next, 20th question. Lata is an English teacher who has prepared a typical audio aid for her class. It is a photograph of Shakespeare, Mahatma Gandhi's speech, a story chart, a film strip. Here, a typical audio aid for her class anta ide. So Mahatma Gandhi's speech is the right answer. Next, 21st question. One of the principles of direct method of teaching English is ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 4, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ರೂಮ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, 22nd. Suraj is teaching grammar using inductive approach. He is to give examples first, teach grammar rules first, give definition of grammar items, make the students learn grammar by rote. So option 1, give examples first, is the right answer for inductive approach. Next, 23rd question. The teacher records learners doing a role play. Then the children watch the video and talk about their mistakes in their groups. The correction technique used here is echo correction, peer correction, behavioral correction, ignoring mistakes. Here option 2, peer correction is the right answer. 24th question. Syed, a student of 8th standard, says, Lata don't know. I has a pen. She have come. He needs remedial teaching in sentence pattern, concord, tense, genders. Here the option 2, concord is the right answer. Smita has children with valid intelligences. To address the set of students with linguistic intelligence, she designs a word building activity, a flowchart, mind map, a gardening activity. A word building activity is the right answer. Option 1. 26th question. Sky school engage goose. The word which does not belong to the set of monosyllabic word is sky engage goose school. Here, so ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So option 2, engage is the right answer here. 27th question. When the teacher says no, it begins with C. We learnt it in the last lesson. She is trying to start a drill, promote for a correct answer, prompt for a correct answer, set up pair work, comment on their performance. Here option 2, prompt for a correct answer is the right answer. 28. Shy learners learn best in groups, doing role plays with the teacher, in pairs. Option 4, in pairs is the right answer. 29th question. The performance of a student in the achievement test helps the teacher to design a blueprint, an annual plan of work, a remedial teaching plan, a lesson plan. Here, a remedial teaching plan is the right answer. Option number 3. 30th question. A class of 30 learners have just done a listening activity. As the teacher is checking the answers of every learner in the class in turns, the learners are getting bored. So the teacher, to address the above classroom management problem, plans this possible solution. Plan to make feedback interesting, plan extra activities or different activities in the class, plan an activity which is more suitable for the learner's need, plan routines to set up activities. Here the option 1, plan to make feedback interesting is the right answer. So this is based on official key answer. You can once again refer this. So we have referred English first language key answer. Thank you.